Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FLSR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that, is this trend truly strong from the big picture perspective, or what's going on with it? So with that, I want to quickly kind of just give what do I think about the chart? Well, it depends. Keep in mind big picture. I already said that word, but remember that phrase. And why does it depend? Well, if you're a day trader and you bought right there and you were hoping to sell within, 7.23 seconds, then yeah, for you, the chart's looking pretty bad. But from the big picture of things, the bulls are still in control. The chart is still bullish. Now, before you go and call me crazy, again, big picture. If you care about the long term of things, then you care about more than just 1 day. And the easiest way to look at that revolves around this green line, which I actually put into place yesterday, and that's down there at 002. Yesterday's video, I talked about that as a level of support, and to give credit where credit's due with the pullback, great job on the bulls part. You can see twice the bears try to press down through there, and the bulls held up above it. On top of that, the price is still well above this purple line here, which is the 50-period simple moving average. So as far as big picture indicators are concerned, 002 and that 50-period simple moving average, the price can still build a higher base. Maybe this will be the... So let's say the price actually pulls back here again and then bounces off 002 a few more times before heading back up. From the overall picture of things, again, big picture, what would you have? Well, you'd have this set of lows right here. Previous set of lows would be down there. If you picture these as stair steps, well, hey, the stair steps are still progressing in the upwards direction. Now, again, I fully realize that if you're a day trader and you bought right there, you could care less. You don't care about these big, overall stair steps at all. But I'm not talking about things from that point of view. I'm talking about things from the overall analysis. So yes, the price pulled back today, but depending on your strategy, the bulls do still have a chance to continue to build those higher lows and therefore build the long-term uptrend. So we'll see what happens with it next week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good weekend.